Okay guys, so what we're replacing today is my sway bar. Well, the old one snapped straight out, like just and it snapped at the top, and that's why I've been getting a lot of steering wheel shake. I actually bought the wrong one the first time, but this is the proper one. And we're just going to essentially put it in. It's going to be really easy. So let's get to that. So now that you guys know what's up, let's get this wheel off, which should be super easy. I did some things off camera, like going to buy the strut, which I got the wrong one, of course. Then I got the right one. And now we're going to put it on. I forgot to jack the car up. That's probably bad, eh? Oops. To make sure you guys are still all good. Awesome. Hands are sweating like the devil, but whatever. Let's get this dealt with. One, two, three, four, five. Oh fuck, it needs to be a bit higher. Okay, so really a lot of what I want to do here now, before I do anything, is knock off all of this goddamn rust everywhere. There's rust everywhere. Every conceivable part of this damn thing is rusty. Okay, well, we got that dealt with. I'm happy with how much rust is removed. You guys probably can't hear me worth a shit, but I do not want to breathe this in. There. So I need to use this shit to kind of coat everything that is rusty. It says apply liberally. Okay. As you guys can see, it's already started to add a zinc coating to everything. And that's exactly what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to add a zinc coating to convert all that rust. Well, pretty much just have to screw this in. I'm just going to check the other side to see if it's the orientation of it. Bolt out towards me. So I'm just going to slide that in. That weld's not very forgiving. Tighten that up for now, just by hand. I don't know how well it's going to hold, but oh, it stinks in here, dude. It really fucking stinks. Fuck. Has to be bottom one first. Fucking damaging those threads. So let's swap them out. So I gotta put that one in. I assume once we tighten it on, it'll be proper. Oh, fuck. Gotta jack the wheel up. Just needed a little bit of give. Come on, you fucking bitch. Okay, so we're back for day 3. And I've got everything I need. I just have to tighten that up. It's been crazy, stupid hell to go through this and get this done. But this is it. Make sure that one's nice and tight. And we'll tighten the back one. Oh no, the washer's on wrong. Can't tighten that yet. Maybe I'll jack up a bit on the sway bar. I'm scratching up my ratchet. There. Now I can actually get it in a lot better. Okay. Perfect. That one's in. Glad I bought that jack for this project. Last time I was doing this, it was doing exactly what it's doing now, where it was spinning off the boot. So I need a wrench to hold the shaft while I tighten it. It's as tight as she goes by hand. I mean, the crush washer is not perfect. It's definitely going to jump around. It's going to get cut the moment that suspension moves. Let's see. The sway bar is just hanging now. Exactly as it's supposed to. Now I'm just going to turn the engine over and give it a couple turns. I'm going to put my keys. Okay, wheel is straight. Don't lock your keys in. Let's just get that tire back on and we're done. Awesome, I'm super happy. And it looks good too. Now the sway bar link is installed, I don't have to worry about the tire shaking so much. It took 4 or 5 sway bar links to get the right one, but now that I finally got the right one, it's done and I'm really happy about it. It looks good, and pretty much it couldn't have taken any more time to get this crap done. But thanks for checking in, guys.